welcome back. We got another video back in Sydney. I've made a video in Sydney before. I'll put a link up there. That's my favorite one-day tour, what I totally recommend. But today we will do a different way of doing Sydney. We're going to walk from Museum Station and we're just going to walk towards the quay. This is my second favorite. Nice walk, easy walk, and we're going to show some Sydney. She arrived last night and it's her first day in Sydney. What are your thoughts?
Good.
What do you think about Sydney?
Good weather.
Good weather. She's a bit shy, we'll build up on that. But beautiful day, it's December 23, so it could be busy. We'll see how it is. We're going to start here at the War Memorial in Hyde Park, and we're going to head north. Let's do it. So beautiful stop, beautiful park, Hyde Park. Lots of space to have a picnic, not camping, picnic and get under the trees. Not too hot on this 23rd of December. We had a hot week or two and then we had a couple of cold days. And so the weather's not too bad actually. Doesn't seem too busy right now. I thought it'd be very busy on a Sunday before Christmas, but we'll see how it gets getting towards the harbour. A lot of ibises keeping watch. And that's the War Memorial. Let's keep going. Which city's more noisy, Bangkok or Sydney?
Bangkok.
Not much honking today. It is not a work day. Sometimes work days could be a bit honking, but a bit quieter than Sydney, yeah? Bangkok, yeah. And we've got really good air quality at the moment, so she's impressed with that too. That's the first two comments she made. No honking and air pollution, no air pollution, which is good. We're coming towards the end of Hyde Park and we're going to see the cathedral now, St. Mary's Cathedral. a couple of blocks south, north, I keep saying south, north, and now we're going to go into the Botanical Gardens. I haven't been in the Botanical Gardens for many, many years, so let's go check it out. Let's see what it's like. Here we got the State Library. We got the Domain, which I think that's where they had the Christmas carols recently. Very different. I haven't been here for a long time, the Botanical Gardens. Very beautiful. Just Sunday, but it's not that busy actually. Beautiful weather, I think about 26 degrees, not hot. Might get a bit sunburnt soon, so I'll have to put on the cream. Lovely first day for some to see Australia. Australia's put on the weather. We are a bit east of the Opera House, so we'll walk around here and then we should see the Opera House, the Harbour Bridge. Easy walk, easy good way to see Sydney. Lots of shade areas, nice little walk. A lot more of the Botanic Gardens all the way around here. Open theatre. So much to see, yeah, it's really cool. That's it, a good little tour from Museum Station to the harbour. If you want to see what to do from the harbour, watch this other Sydney video I made a couple of years ago. Still a very good video, but a beautiful little walk, nature and landmarks to see. Som is now here, so plenty of videos to come, so follow, subscribe, see you next time.